30 days have passed since Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. Nothing has been revealed so far. Meanwhile, Riya Chakraborty turned emotional today as it has been a month since her beau actor Sushant Singh Rajput left for his heavenly abode. To pay special respect to the superstar, Riya Chakraborty shared some loving and unseen throwback photos together with an emotional message that will surely make you teary eyed. Here is what Riya has written. Still struggling to face my emotions, an irreparable numbness in my heart. You are the one who made me believe in love, the power of it. You taught me how a simple mathematical equation can decipher the meaning of life, and I promise you that I learned from you every day. I will never come to terms with you not being here anymore. I know you are in much more peaceful place now. The moon, the stars, the galaxies would have welcomed the greatest physicist with open arms. Full of empathy and joy, you could lighten up a shooting star. Now you are the one. I will wait for you, my shooting star, and make a wish to bring you back to me. You were everything a beautiful person could be. The greatest wonder that the world has been. My words are incapable of expressing the love we have and take two. My words are incapable of expressing the love we have. And I guess you truly meant it when you said it is beyond both of us. You loved everything with an open heart. And now you have shown me that our love is indeed exponential. Be in peace, Shushi. 30 days of losing you, but a lifetime of loving you. Eternally connected to infinity and beyond. Her special post turned out to be the trendiest topic on the web and got the attention of a lot of celebs. Anusha Dandekar commented, I love you, Rabbit, and you are brave and beautiful. I know this was probably the hardest thing to write, but I am forever proud of you. You are all heart and soul. May you always know that you and you alone know your truth, and your love story will be forever in your heart. Actor Ayushmann Khurrana, his wife Tahira Kashyap, Tiger Shroff, Arman Malik, Dabbu Ratnani, and others also shared their feelings by posting heart emojis in the comment box. Today morning, Riya, who has always been mum on her love relationship with Sushant, changed her WhatsApp display image that surfaced all over the web. The said image had Riya looking into Sushant's eyes while the actor is seen in a candid mood. But still, the controversy is on. What was the real reason behind Sushant's death is still unexplored, and Riya was held responsible for some unknown reasons. Let the truth come out. That is the end of the story.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila's Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
हाय, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila's Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.